Nokia is making a big comeback with the Lumia 300 5G, and it's packing some serious features that could shake up the mid-range smartphone market. But is it really the phone we've all been waiting for? Let's find out. Nokia's legacy of durability and reliability is well known, and with the Lumia 300 5G, they're aiming to merge that iconic build quality with the modern features that today's users crave. If you're looking for a solid, feature-packed device at a reasonable price, this might just be the phone to keep an eye on. First, let's talk about the display. The 6.6-inch Super AMOLED screen on the Nokia Lumia 300 5G isn't just big, it's a treat for the eyes. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or just scrolling through apps, the display delivers sharp visuals with excellent color accuracy. 120 Hz refresh rate makes scrolling, browsing, and gaming ultra-smooth. If you're used to a standard 60 Hz refresh rate, you'll immediately notice the difference when you switch to this screen. One of the best features of this display is its 4K video playback. Whether you're watching YouTube videos or streaming Netflix, the vibrant colors and true black contrasts make it feel like you're watching on a much more expensive device. The high refresh rate and stunning visual quality make it a standout in this price range. Now we'll talk about the camera. Nokia is bringing serious camera power to the Lumia 300 5G with a 200MP main camera. This device is set to impress photography enthusiasts in the mid-range market. The 200MP sensor captures incredible detail, making it perfect for everything from landscape shots to close-ups. The 2MP ultra-wide lens gives you the flexibility to take wide-angle shots, while the 64MP secondary camera is equipped with advanced video features, including 4K video recording. Whether you're shooting videos or taking still photos, the Lumia 300 5G has you covered. The 4K video recording capability ensures your videos are crisp and clear, while features like autofocus and LED flash make sure you get well-lit and focused shots, even in low-light environments. The high-resolution front camera means you can take fantastic selfies with excellent detail, making it a great choice for social media lovers and vloggers. Now we'll talk about the battery. Battery life is always a concern with smartphones, especially when you're using your phone all day for browsing, streaming, or gaming. The Nokia Lumia 300 5G comes with a 6,000 mAh battery, which is built for longevity. This battery is designed to last through a full day of heavy use, meaning you don't have to worry about constantly recharging your phone during the day. One of the best features of the Lumia 300 5G is its 120W fast charging. This phone can charge up to 100% in just 20 to 25 minutes. That's right, just 20 minutes, and you're ready to go for the day. This fast charging capability ensures that even if you're running low on power, a quick charge will get you through the rest of the day without missing a beat. Now we'll talk about the memory and storage. The Lumia 300 5G comes in 3 different configurations, catering to various needs and budgets. Entry-level, 8GB RAM with 132GB storage. Mid-tier, 12GB RAM with 256GB storage. Premium, 16GB RAM with 512GB storage. This variety of options ensures that no matter what your needs are, whether it's casual browsing, gaming, or handling heavy apps, there's a Lumia 300 5G configuration that suits you. The 12GB RAM and 256GB storage setup should be more than enough for most users, allowing for smooth multitasking and storage for all your apps, photos, and videos. The 16GB RAM and 512GB storage option will appeal to power users who need plenty of space for everything. Running on the latest version of Android, the Lumia 300 5G gives you access to all the latest features, apps, and updates. The One UI software on top of Android adds useful customization options and a clean, intuitive interface. Whether you're adjusting themes or changing app settings, it's all straightforward and easy to use. The phone is also equipped with 5G support, which ensures fast internet speeds for everything from browsing to downloading large files. With Wi-Fi 6, the Lumia 300 5G gives you the fastest connection speeds, whether you're on a Wi-Fi network or using mobile data. For security, the phone features a fingerprint sensor and face unlock, offering quick and secure access to your device. You can also rely on Nokia's commitment to regular software updates, ensuring the phone stays up to date with the latest security patches and features. Now we'll talk about the pricing. The Nokia Lumia 305G is expected to be priced not exact available. If this pricing is accurate, it positions the device as a strong competitor in the mid-range market, offering high-end features like a 200MP camera, 120Hz AMOLED display, and a 6000 mAh battery at a competitive price point. This makes it a great value option for those who want premium features without the premium price tag. While the official pricing has yet to be confirmed, this device is expected to hit the market in early 2025, and if the price matches its specifications, the Lumia 305G could see strong demand from users who want a solid smartphone experience without breaking the bank. With features like a 200MP camera, 120Hz AMOLED display, and 5G connectivity, the Lumia 305G is clearly designed to compete in the mid-range smartphone market. Nokia has taken a bold step by offering high-end features that are typically found in more expensive devices, and they are doing so at a price point that will appeal to a wide range of customers. The Lumia 305G could make Nokia a serious contender once again in the Indian market, especially among budget-conscious consumers who want quality without compromise. If it's priced well, it could help Nokia re-establish itself as a strong brand, offering value and performance that customers can rely on. The Nokia Lumia 305G combines everything that today's smartphone users want: an impressive camera, solid battery life, fast performance, and great display quality at an affordable price. If the device hits the market at the expected price point, it could easily become one of the most popular mid-range smartphones of 2025. Nokia has the opportunity to win over a whole new generation of fans, and early impressions suggest they're headed in the right direction. Let me know your thoughts on the Nokia Lumia 305G in the comments below. Are you excited about this phone, or are you waiting for something else? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech gadgets. See you in the next video.